Welcome back to my channel, Tabilicious. So today's video is really special. So most of us, like all of us, love ice cream. But have you ever thought of frying an ice cream? So it's really easy to make this and tastes so good, and trust me, it tastes much better than the ice cream as well. So do watch out the complete video as I'll be sharing you the techniques, the tips and tricks to get it perfectly at home. Also subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So first step, we need some scoops of ice cream and a cling wrap. So all we need to do now is just take a scoop of ice cream and cover it with a cling wrap. And do not worry guys if the ice cream starts melting while doing this process. Just make sure you're covering it in a circular shape, in a round shape. Okay, in a cling wrap, and do this for all the scoops that you have. Take a cling wrap, place the ice cream scoop in the center and just cover it a little tightly. So we'll be freezing this, so do not worry if the ice cream melts in this step. So now once this is done, we'll freeze this for around 5 to 6 hours at least. In the next step, you'll be requiring some breadcrumbs, a cup of maida all purpose flour and some water. So all you need to do now is really simple. Add some water in maida gradually and slowly and make a thick paste. Make sure there are no lumps in the batter. So this is the consistency that you'll need, a little thick. It's been around 5 to 6 hours and the ice cream is ready to be coated. So we'll take a butter paper here in a plate and we need to just unwrap the ice creams from the cling wrap. So these scoops will now be layered and coated. So first we'll be coating this with the flour batter. Evenly, coat it evenly guys, and then cover it with the breadcrumbs. You need to coat this from all the sides. Since the ice cream is nice and frozen, it won't melt, so you need to do this process a little faster. So you can see it's coated. Now just repeat the process with the other two scoops. Cover it with the flour batter and then coat it with the breadcrumbs. So now we will freeze this for around 2 to 3 hours, at least 2 to 3 hours. So it's been around 3 to 4 hours now and the ice creams are nice and frozen. You need to just repeat the process. Cover it with the flour batter and coat it with the breadcrumbs from all sides evenly. So this is an important step guys. We are covering it again, layering it again, because this will prevent from the ice cream from oozing out from the layers while frying it. So you need to double coat the ice cream scoops so that it doesn't melt or doesn't just come out while frying the ice cream scoops. So first we'll coat with the flour batter and then cover it evenly from all sides with breadcrumbs. You can also use crushed cornflakes instead of breadcrumbs. Now we will freeze this for at least an hour or two, to 1 to 2 hours. Next step is frying our ice cream. So heat the oil. The oil should be just enough that the ice cream scoops dips in well. Remove the ice cream scoops from the freezer only when your oil is nice and hot and ready to be fried. So the oil is hot now and we are just adding the scoop in, ice cream in the oil, and you can see how hot the oil is. You need to fry this for just 10 to 20, 10 to 15 seconds, not more than that. Fry it until it's golden brown, nice and golden brown. The color, you can see it starts changing the color, and it's done. So our fried ice cream is done. Remove it and place it in a plate. You need to just repeat the process with the other scoops as well. Just fry this for a couple of seconds, not more than 15 to 20 seconds, guys. Since the oil is nice and hot, the breadcrumbs get golden brown in just few seconds. And now it's done. Take it out in a plate, and it's just mouth watering. Now it's ready to be served. All we are doing now is just adding a drizzle of chocolate sauce and caramel sauce in a plate and placing the ice cream, fried ice cream, in the center. And I'll just cut it and show how it looks from inside. Oh, the ice cream starts oozing out. Yeah, that's done. So perfect. It's really that easy to make. Just make sure you're coating it, double layering it with the breadcrumbs and the flour batter, so you get it perfectly right. And yeah, it tastes so good. I suggest all of you to try this at least once, and you'll definitely love fried ice cream more than the ice cream. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification button for more such interesting videos, and stay connected.